Between July 2022 and June 2023, police received over 37,000 reports of theft concerning bicycles or other sporting equipment, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics Crime Victimisation Report. So is bicycle insurance worth it? Or is it just another thing you'll pay for and never use? To get to the bottom of this, let's unpack 4 types of cyclists and how insurance might help them. Because the truth is, the risks for someone who rides once a month are completely different to the guy sending it down a mountain at 40 k's an hour every weekend. Okay, the periodic peddler. You roll your bike out once every blue moon. Maybe it's for a Sunday cruise, maybe it's for the annual charity ride. A risk you might have is theft or damage while your bike sits in the garage. That's usually where contents insurance comes in. It covers your bike if it's stolen from your property or if it's damaged by an insured event like fire, storm, or flood. But remember, waiting periods apply. Now for the rush hour rider. You're part of the growing community swapping car parks for bike racks. Your main concern might be getting clipped in peak hour traffic or finding your bike has disappeared after work. Again, this is where contents insurance and additional optional cover come in. Youi Contents Insurance offers cover for insured events, including theft from insured property. If you choose accidental loss of damage cover, your bike can also be covered away from home, say if it's stolen from work or from a public bike rack. Unless your bike is worth over $15,000, you don't need to list it separately. Alright, Lycra lovers, you're next. Yeah, you know who you are. One crash or theft isn't just an inconvenience. It's thousands of dollars gone and a full-blown identity crisis. So if your bike is worth more than $15,000, listing it separately as a high-value item under your contents insurance policy might be a good idea. When listed as a high-value item, cover can extend beyond just theft at home and might include things like accidental damage, theft away from home, worldwide cover for cyclists who take their bike on tour. Trail trekkers, we saved you for last. You live for the trails, all the mud, the jumps, the chaos, which also means scratches, crashes, and sometimes a bike that doesn't make it home. Similar to the rush hour riders, optional cover for gear that leaves the house might help here. But unlike periodic peddler, trail trekkers are constantly transporting their bikes to trails, parks, or road trips. That means the risk follows them outside the home. Standard contents policies usually don't cover accidental damage away from home, unless you've chosen to add optional portable items cover. So, is it worth getting insurance for your bike? Here's the deal. Bicycle insurance isn't legally required in Australia, but theft and crashes incur real costs. So if the thought of losing your ride or footing that kind of bill makes you squeamish, bicycle insurance might be worth it. But there's a slight twist. There isn't a special product called bicycle insurance. Bikes are usually covered under general home insurance policies. For example, Youi's contents insurance policies cover loss or damage to bicycles, e-bikes, and other personal transportation devices caused by an insured event in your home, even if they're left outside. You can also add contents accidental loss or damage to your policy if you want to insure personal items like your $15,000 road bike away from home. For more everyday explainers like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.